Today I'm sharing 3 types of denims for all body types. First is the narrow fit denim. As the name suggests, they're narrow on your body, but they're not fitted on your body, so you'll enjoy wearing them irrespective of your body type. Don't be afraid to experiment it for work or for play, and you can wear it with knit t-shirts, with loose cotton tops. I have a whole video on how to wear narrow fit denim. Second are these slouchy pants. They are actually mom fit, boyfriend fit, girlfriend fit, whatever you call them. The idea is that they are slouchy. They have a nice fit at the waist and they taper slightly at the bottom. So they give a nice relaxed fit. And again, you can dress it up, dress it down. My favorite are the Zara paperback styles because they look great on me. So if you have a similar body type like me, I know that works. Third is loose denims. Loose denims are fitted at the waist and flow straight or loose on your body. They are not tight on your hips, on your thighs, anywhere. They are just fitted on your waist. So these again work even if you have a heavy midriff or lower body, or even if you have like a heavy thigh. This works on you very well. Every time I would do videos on the waist of denim or the length of denim, I would get this as maximum request on what denim can I wear for my body type. I assure you these 3 styles work on all body type, whether you are lower body heavy or midriff heavy. Don't get hassled with the jargons that are there in retail stores. Just wear what works for your body and you enjoy wearing it.